It's really cool when I get to do 2 stretch goal videos in just one day. And well, you guys have done it again. We hit the level for the custom bookmark ribbon, so we'll go ahead and be detailing that into the book. As with these stretch goals, that means that every version of the book, every copy is going to come with that custom bookmark ribbon. That applies to everyone who has pledged already, as well as people who pledge in the future, like you maybe. Cool to have that. It's something we've had in most head stamp books, and I'm glad we reached it for this one. And that brings us to our next stretch goal, which is a big content goal. This is probably the biggest of the content-related stretch goals we've got, and that is Valmet semi-automatic rifles. These are the rifles that are available in the United States, the versions of the Finnish military AKs, and there is a significant wide variety of them, and there's not a whole lot written out there. So they're sort of an adjacent element. My focus with the book was Finnish military small arms, but if you guys want it, we'll go ahead and do a section on the Valmet semi-autos as well, which I think will be valuable because those are the guns that people have here in the United States and also to a lesser extent elsewhere in Europe. Those are the guns that got exported, where the military rifles pretty much just stayed in the military in Finland. So let me know. Would you like to have an added Valmet semi-auto section in the book? If you do, head on over to the Kickstarter campaign, pledge for a copy of the book, whether you want the retail blue edition, the white frozen Kickstarter exclusive edition, which does look super cool. If you're in Europe, remember we do have a European specific pledge level for reduced shipping. Check that one out as well. Thanks, guys.